Let us see the next example. Design a PDA that checks well-formedness of parenthesis. That means what? The parenthesis should be something once we receive an opening bracket, after that only we should receive the closing bracket. So this problem can be given in the form of a grammar also. So S gives you opening bracket S, or after that closing bracket, or simple S and then epsilon. So this kind of grammar can be given to you. So what is the language that we can have? As S, that is the start symbol, can be converted into epsilon. Therefore epsilon is a valid string. One opening and one closing bracket, or something like this can be a valid string. This can also be a valid string. The opening bracket, closing bracket, then closing bracket, then opening bracket or closing bracket, this is also a valid string. But if we look at this, then this is an invalid string for us. Fine. So the logic that we will be using over here is, we'll be using stack. The end of the stack is indicated by blank. Whenever we receive an opening bracket, we are going to push that opening bracket onto the stack. So if we receive this opening bracket, we are going to push it onto the stack, and we'll move towards reading the next symbol. When we read the next symbol, check what it is. If it is opening bracket, we are going to push that onto the stack only. When we move and read the next symbol from the tape. Read the symbol. Check what it is. If it is opening bracket, we are going to push it onto the stack. But if it is closing bracket, we are going to pop the symbol from the stack. And on popping, if we get an opening bracket, this means well-formedness of that parenthesis have been formed. Find the next symbol. Go and read the next symbol. What is this? Closing bracket. When you receive closing bracket on the input string, pop the contents from the stack and check what it is. If it is opening bracket, it's okay. That means string is a valid string. Move and read the next string. Now when we receive an opening bracket, what does it mean? Shall we reject the string, or we should continue reading the string? Of course, after this opening bracket, we can get another closing bracket. That means what? Once we receive a closing bracket, it does not mean we are going to receive only closing brackets only. We can receive opening brackets also. That's why on receiving an opening bracket after closing bracket, then too we should continue. So we are going to continue now also. We are going to push this onto the stack and move towards reading the next input symbol. Well, if we receive closing bracket, we are going to pop the contents from stack, check it. If it is opening bracket, that means the string is a valid string. Go and read the next input symbol. Again, we have received an opening bracket. We are going to push it onto the stack and going to read the next input symbol. Now we are receiving a closing bracket. Once we receive a closing bracket, we will pop the contents from the stack, check it what it is. If it is opening bracket, then we are going to continue and read the next symbol. Now the next symbol that we are reading is blank. That means what? Input string is over. Pop the contents of the stack and check what it is. What it is? If we receive blank, what does it mean? Number of opening brackets and number of closing brackets were same and they were well formed. So accept the string. So how we are going to design the PDA is start, then perform the reading operation. When on reading, if you receive an opening bracket, we are going to push this opening bracket onto the stack and continue the reading job. On reading, instead of opening bracket, what if I get a closing bracket? We are going to perform the pop operation and going to check what that symbol is. If the popped symbol is an opening bracket, it means string is a valid string. We should continue. We are going to continue with the read operation. On reading, instead of opening bracket, what if we receive a blank? At that time, we are going to pop and see what are the contents. If that contents is blank, that means string is a valid string. We should accept. Now instead of popping blank, what if we get an opening bracket? We should reject. Remember, we have not created a new read over here, because after opening brackets receiving not after opening brackets, after receiving the closing bracket, we are allowed to have the opening brackets. That's why instead of creating a new read, we have continued with the previous read operation. Fine. Is there any other condition which is pending? Let us check. At the time of reading, we can only read opening bracket, closing bracket and blank. So opening bracket we have checked, closing bracket we have checked, and blank we have checked. When we are popping up, when we have received a closing bracket, we are going to pop and check what this symbol is. Now the symbol can be opening bracket or it can be a blank. What if we receive a blank for this particular opening bracket? The string should be rejected. So in this way, from every read and from every pop, we should have all the possible symbols that are there possible in the string. So this is the PDA for well formness of parenthesis.